This country is bleeding, and Nigerians are there waiting for us to take over power and provide that leadership that they need. You don't abandon the party or the house you helped to build. So I think I shouldn't be one of those that should be considered as those who are contemplating leaving the People's Democratic Party. Instead, I'm one governor here that have been bringing back those who have left the party and those who are on the other side that are seeing the good leadership, good governance in Adamawa to come back to PDP. And we have won a lot of them. So many of them have come back, so many are coming back, and so many will come back. I have vowed that I will make Adamawa a one-party state. And we are on that track, and we are converting them, and we are killing APC. There is no APC in this state. There are those who are making noise that wants patronage. Those are the ones that I think we can say are APC in this state. But as for the voters, their direction is in PDP. This I want to assure you. Yes, people can cry wolf, but that does not mean we have offended them. They know what is chasing them. They know what they committed before 2019 election. And they could not align easily because they are ashamed of their activities before 2019 election. They never gave it a chance that we can win that election. So if they've not been streamlined into the proper PDP family, that does not mean we have offended them. But our doors are open. If we can open our doors for even those in the opposition side to come in, there's no way we will not accommodate those, our enemies, who were within the party and didn't also wanted us to win election. We'll have forgiven them and get along with them. But again, you know, dealing with an enemy within cannot be our own responsibility now to start begging them come, because they can be more dangerous. And we are very prayerful people in this state, and you can see how peaceful we are today. So maybe our prayers have chased some of them away. And we will remain peaceful and stronger. Peaceful and stronger. This I want to assure you, members of BOT. Don't mind the exit of some few governors. Yes, like you said, the governors are very key. But that doesn't mean that the governors can take the role of God. God is the giver of power, and power belongs to Him. When APC won the presidential election in 2015, they didn't have up to 10 governors. So we shouldn't emphasize on the issue of the exit of some few governors. We know some governors that have exited in PDP, but that will make PDP even more stronger in their state. They will not add value to where they've gone to. So that shouldn't bother us. What should bother us is coming like this as a family, visiting each other, discussing, reconciling, so that we can build a much bigger family with better understanding, so that when we win election in 2023, we will be able to manage our successes. The fundamental problem in the leadership of this country is people will come together, win election, and they will not be able to manage their successes because they have not come as a family. In Adamawa, if you take it as a case study,